What's up, guys? Dennis and Neil here. We know a lot of you guys, suspension trainers are extremely popular. Most people, they're in gyms everywhere. You can find them all over the place. We have a TRX here. There are a lot of other different brands out there, but we're just going to use the TRX for today. So we're going to set Neil up, and we're going to show you how we prime the movement, get all the muscles ready for this suspension trainer, and we're going to execute a row, okay? So we're going to have Neil set up. And we're going to have him set up in a horse stance, so he's going to take a nice wide base. He's going to stack the joints on top, okay? So in the suspension trainer, you're starting in that extended position. So we're going to have Neil bring his arms out, okay? So this is the starting position. His hands are a little wider than shoulder width apart. From this position, he's just going to gently start to pull apart on the stick. So as he pulls apart on the stick, he's getting all this posterior activation. So we're going to have him statically hold that for 6 seconds. Then he's going to relax. Then he's going to pull the arms in a little bit, halfway. And we're going to prime this. And once again, he's going to engage. He's going to pull apart on the stick. He's trying to lengthen the stick. And once again, he's activating the whole posterior chain. Upper back, mid back, 6 seconds. Good. Now he's going to bring it in to the finishing position. And then he's going to engage again. He's going to pull apart on the stick. And relax. Good. Now, the returning phase, we're going to have him push in on the stick. Activate the anterior aspect. 6 seconds. Then he's going to extend back out to the halfway position. And he's going to engage again and push in. And then the full extended position to finish. Push in. So we can start at about 30-40% just to get everything acclimated. You can go a little bit harder. You can go upwards of 50-60% once you get comfortable with it. But if it's your first time doing this, just start at a lower irradiation level just so you get used to it. Okay. Now that we've primed that movement, now we're going to have him pull apart on the stick, have him pull it about 50%. Now he's going to engage that, and he's going to go through the whole entire motion. As he pulls back, he's retracting the shoulder blades back together. Once he gets to the end spot, he's then going to push in on the stick, and he's going to extend out. And we're going to get one more rep. He's going to pull apart. He's going to bring it back in. He's going to push in, and he's going to return. Perfect. You can execute about 4 or 5 reps on that. We're going to have Neil just do a couple reps. Put the stick down. Now Neil's going to set up to do the actual row motion. So let's get the hips up just a little bit. Perfect, good. Legs are straight. He's braced. He's got a nice tight grip. Get that arm line activated. Now he's going to row, pull his chest up. He's retracting the shoulders together. He's maintaining that extension. He's not going into flexion. And now he's returning back to that bottom end of the position. He's irradiating everything here, so everything is locked down. Okay, so you're not seeing any segmentation through the movement. And give me 4 more reps. Nice. Down. 3 more. Nice. 2 more. So you can see how we just primed that actual movement that he's now executing. So we just got the central nervous system excited. It understands the motion that we're now trying to accomplish. And relax. Good. And that's part of how we do our progressive isometric patterning, our PIPs. So give it a try. Enjoy. Stick mobility, movement made better.